Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, we're gonna make some Mexican street corn.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Yo, guess what, guys? You know what's up. It is getting hot out. My favorite time of the year, my favorite way to cook is outside on the grill. So we're gonna grill up inside today because it's raining out. We're gonna grill up some Mexican street corn for you, okay? You wanna husk your corn. Make sure you take all the hair out. So you got your corn, right? Get vegetable oil, any kind of oil you want. I'm using grapeseed oil. You want to put some in a little bowl. Get a brush. You're going to brush it on up. Look at that. Get that out of here. We don't want none of that in there, right? So what we're going to do is you're going to brush it. For some reason, I feel like the Two Stooges when I'm doing this, huh? You got your corn all painted, right? It's, we'll do it over the bowl. Put some salt. Alright? Hey, you can put some pepper. Alright, now, throw it on. Woo! That's music to my ears. Before we get started, it's singing to me. Let me just turn it a little bit. Okay, get yourself some sour cream, some mayonnaise. You want a cup of sour cream. Now get yourself a quarter cup. You want a quarter cup of mayo. Get yourself a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of pepper. You don't have to put a teaspoon of pepper. It's up to you. Get a teaspoon of chili powder. So with this street corn, guys, we're going to kick it up a notch because I'm a junk food eater. I love junk food, you can't tell. But anyway, we're going to kick it up a notch with the cheese doodles and Takis, guys. Wait until you see it. Forget about it. You got to taste it. You're going to love it, I'm telling you. All right. Half of a juice of a lime. This is grated Cottage cheese. I don't know how to say it. I'm probably butchering it. I apologize. I'm going to call it Mexican Parmesan, all right? You get yourself some Mexican Parmesan cheese, okay? You're going to do a half a cup of Mexican Parmesan. Boom. Let's taste. Really good. All right, let's turn this corn. All right, you need a quarter cup of cilantro. But when you're cutting your cilantro, make sure you got a little left to the side because we're gonna dress it on top. Okay, boom, quarter cup, boom. This is smelling good over here. I got this corn cooking in the back. And let's turn this corn again. Oh, let's double check our ingredients. We got our corn. Boop. We got salt in there. We got pepper in there. We got the sour cream. We got the mayo. We got the lime juice. Excuse me, not the lemon, the lime juice. Right? We got the grated Mexican Parmesan cheese, right? And we got the cilantro and the chili powder. Oh, I think we got everything in. Then you gotta whisk and whisk it together. And that's it, guys. Now all you gotta do is wait for your corn to cook, and then we'll brush it on. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna put this in the fridge and let the flavors come together. We'll see you back when the corn is done. You use regular Takis. I like using Takis sticks. They break up a little easier. Oh, yes! Look at that, huh? Looks good for being inside, you know? Okay, we got our corn holders on there, right? You get your mixture you made. right over. Look at that. It's up to you how much you want to put on. How much you don't want to put on, it's up to you. We're going to hit that with some cheese. Alright, some cheese on all sides. A little bit. And get some cilantro. Look at that. Oh yes. Look at that, huh? Ready. Alright, same thing. You just want to lather it up. Now, what we're going to do, roll it in the cheese curls. Yes. Grab some, put it on there. Let's pat it down nice and nice. Gonna hit it with some cilantro, huh? Boom. Again, we're gonna lather it up. Now what we're gonna do, roll it in Takis. Look at this. Yes. Yes. Now, if you use the Taki chips, the ones that are rolled, rather than the sticks, and then you use the sticks, you'll see a big difference. The sticks just stick better. I'm gonna have to give that one to my son. My son said it would stick better. I'm gonna hit that with some of this. Look at that. Oh. Look at that, huh? Huh? I mean, come on. Who doesn't like grilled corn? And if you're a junk food guy like me, some cheese doodles crushed on top, some Takis. Guys, let's dig it. 1 second. I'm gonna hit it with some of that. Oh man. I made a pig of myself, huh? This is great for barbecues in the summertime. Well, you need something good with summertime and you always got chips around, boom. You do something like that, you know what I'm saying? So if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Also, email me your address and I'll send you a sticker, okay? Check us out on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. And check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band. Mother got me rock. And I'm going to tell you what, guys. I got to go finish this. Yeah, I'm going to finish all 3 until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.